Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into American Express for business expense productivity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for American Express. Press enter to navigate to the American Express homepage. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the adjacent field. Make sure to check the Remember User ID option if you wish for the browser to save your login information. Click on the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface to locate business expense tools. Navigate to the Statements and Activity tab to view your transactions. Explore the Reports section for expense summaries and insights. If you need assistance, find the help or support links available on the site. Utilize these resources for any login or account-related questions. Remember to log out after you finish managing your expenses for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.